Welcome back to again Coffee with Haider. So today I want to show you how to make the color coffee like flat white piccolo latte. You didn't see before this type of videos in the YouTube how to make color coffee. So we will make now today flat white with the three colors. Let's start. Here we're taking the review. So we will use flat white cup already have below. Here we milk. So here we have color right now. We will take little bit color. Okay. We will pour here. We put color like that. Here have a coffee. Mix, mix, mix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see here our flat white with the 4 colors. Arnold? Okay. This one we have one more color here. Right. Thank you so much for watching. Let's try this one. I hope you like this video. We will see you the next video. Thank you so much.